Hey everyone, welcome back to Dollar Sense. Today, we're diving into something that many people find confusing, intimidating, or just downright overwhelming: investing. If you're someone who thinks investing is only for the wealthy or the financial experts, then stick around, because I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible. Imagine this. You're working hard, saving a bit each month, but your money just sits in a savings account, barely growing. You wonder, is there a better way to make my money work for me? The answer is yes, and that's what investing is all about. But before you rush into the stock market or any fancy investment, let's talk about the basics, the kind of stuff no one always explains clearly. Here's the truth. Inflation is silently stealing your money's value every year. What you can buy with $100 today might cost $110 or $120 in just a few years. So, if your money is just sitting in a bank account earning 1% interest, you're actually losing purchasing power. Investing is a tool that helps your money grow faster than inflation. Over time, even small investments can snowball into significant wealth. But the key is understanding how to invest smartly and safely. Let's start with the main types of investments you might hear about. 1. Stocks, owning a tiny piece of a company. When the company grows, your share becomes more valuable. 2. Bonds, you're basically lending money to governments or companies and earning interest over time. 3. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are baskets of stocks or bonds managed by professionals, so you don't have to pick individual companies. 4. Real estate, buying property to rent out or sell later for profit. 5. Other options like cryptocurrencies, commodities, or peer-to-peer lending, but those come with higher risk. One of the most beautiful things about investing is compound interest. It sounds complicated, but think of it like this. You earn interest on your money. Then, the next time, you earn interest on your money plus the interest you already earned. Over years and decades, this builds up like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger. That's why starting early, even with small amounts, can make a huge difference. It's not about how much you start with. It's about giving your money time to grow. Investing isn't without risk. The stock market goes up and down. Bonds can be affected by interest rates. Real estate can fluctuate depending on the market. But here's the secret. The key is to manage risk, not avoid it. Diversification is one of the most important rules in investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different types of investments so that if one goes down, others might go up or stay steady. Also, investing with a long-term mindset helps you ride out the ups and downs without panic. If you're new to investing, here's what I suggest. Start with your emergency fund. Before you invest, make sure you have 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in an accessible account. Learn and research. Use free resources, watch videos, read blogs, get comfortable with the basics. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Depending on your country, options like 401(k)s, IRAs, or ISAs can help you grow your money tax-free or tax-deferred. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. These track the overall market and have low fees. They're a great way to get diversified exposure. Avoid timing the market. Trying to buy low and sell high perfectly is nearly impossible. Instead, invest consistently over time, a strategy called dollar cost averaging. Start small, stay consistent. Even $50 or $100 a month can add up over time. Let me bust a few myths you've probably heard. Investing is only for rich people. Nope. Anyone can start. It's about discipline, not money. You need to be an expert. You don't have to know everything. Start with simple, diversified options and learn along the way. The stock market is gambling. Investing wisely is very different from gambling. It's calculated, planned, and focused on long-term growth. Investing is one of the best tools you can use to secure your financial future. It's not just about making money. It's about gaining freedom from stress, from living paycheck to paycheck, and the freedom to pursue what really matters in life. Remember, there will be ups and downs. Markets will fluctuate. But if you keep your eyes on your goals, stay patient, and keep learning, you'll build a solid foundation for a brighter tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Dollar Sense for more personal finance tips, and share this video with friends or family who might be thinking about investing but don't know where to start. Got questions or want me to cover a specific investing topic? Drop a comment below. I read every one. Remember, your money should work for you. not the other way around. See you next time.